Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before I begin my what I eat in a day, I thought I'd give you a little update, and this was the only video I could find. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. I do apologize because it's vertical and it was recorded on my phone. It won't happen again, I promise. Alright, I'm not sure if you noticed, and I hope you don't mind, but I changed my name from Veggie Sense to Más Vegan. I love the idea of incorporating a Spanish word in my channel's name because Spanish was my first language, followed by English. So I thought it would be a great idea, and just in case you were wondering what it translates to, más means more, as in give me more vegan, like vegan food, vegan everything. And I thought it was pretty appropriate for my vegan channel, so I hope you like it. Alright, now on to the video. I recorded this on my day off, so this is a normal, casual morning for me. I woke up around 7 in the morning, and like every morning I need my coffee or matcha to fully wake me. Also, I like it. It's my little pick-me-up to start the day. And today I was in the mood for café de la olla, so with my French press, I'm going to make a simple version of it. I'm adding a few tablespoons of ground coffee, and to give it that café de la olla taste, I'm also going to crush some of my cinnamon stick into it. You can also add a star anise if you have one. And just letting it sit helps the coffee expand, it releases aroma, and it smells so good. After 30 seconds, I'm gonna stir, then I'm gonna add the rest of the water and place the cover over it. And after about 4 minutes, when it's ready, I'm gonna press down on the plunger and serve myself a nice cup. I like to sweeten it with raw cane sugar, and this is how I drink this style of coffee. I think it tastes great without adding vegan milk or anything. The cinnamon gives it so much flavor. Usually café de la olla is made in a pot over the stove, but this is a nice alternative. I love my French press. Also, if you love cinnamon, you'll love this Mexican style coffee. I highly recommend you try it. It's really good and it smells amazing. For the second part of my breakfast, I'm gonna show you my favorite way to eat plantains. What I'm gonna do first is peel it, then I'm gonna slice it into strips or circles. I made both. Then in a hot nonstick pan over medium flame, I'm gonna add about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and fry them. I cooked both sides and removed them when they became golden brown, just like this. Now that they're soft, they smell delicious. I'm gonna sweeten them up by sprinkling coconut sugar all over them, and since they're still warm, it's gonna melt nicely. And this is my breakfast and my second serving of coffee. Alright guys, it's around 11 in the morning and I'm hungry again, and now that it's spring and it's warmer, I like to eat fruit throughout the day. So I'm just gonna make a quick salad with these really pretty fruits. I have 2 tangerines, a pomegranate, and a carambola. I'm not even sure if that's how you pronounce it, but I love the taste and it's just so pretty. When you cut into it, it literally looks like a star. So I love eating it. It's just so cute to look at. And in a large bowl, I'm gonna combine all of these fruits and enjoy them while I waste my time surfing the internet because it's my day off, so why not? And I don't know about you, but everything is so much more enjoyable when it's aesthetically pleasing. These fruits are so cute and I enjoyed them. You should know that I did not finish all this fruit, but I did save it for later. It is now 1 in the afternoon and I am gonna prepare a nice butternut squash salad. All I did was peel the outer skin because it's pretty tough. Then I cubed it up and separated the seeds. Then I'm gonna place them on a silicone baking sheet. I like using this whenever I roast veggies because it keeps them from sticking. I also added 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, and I'm just gonna mix everything around. Also, I'm gonna add this Trader Joe's seasoning. I really like it because it has lots of spices and it flavors the butternut squash very nicely. So now that everything is coated and my seeds are also on the baking sheet, I'm gonna roast them in the oven. And by the way, I did check on my seeds often to ensure they didn't burn because that could happen so easily and fast. So I did flip them around and I roasted them on all sides and removed them after about 8 minutes when they were nice and toasty. And as far as the butternut squash, it was caramelized and roasted through all the way after about 30 minutes. I love eating roasted butternut squash. I usually make a simple salad, so today I'm gonna eat it with some crunchy iceberg lettuce because that's what I had in my fridge. And also this Daya ranch dressing. Is that how you pronounce it? Let's just say it wasn't my favorite. I'm not too sure why, but the taste of Daya products isn't really for me. I'm not sure if I'm the only one, but let's just say I won't be purchasing this anytime soon again. It is now 4:30 in the afternoon and time for my next meal, and a portobello sandwich sounds amazing right now. Here are my 2 portobello mushrooms cooking over a medium flame. I seasoned them with Trader Joe's seasoning salt. I really love using that thing. And also I poked holes through the mushrooms with my knife. I made little slits and hope that they would cook faster. But I'm not sure if it really made a difference. But I did place my lid over them so they could sweat out a lot of the liquid. And when there's no more liquid, I'm gonna remove the lid and allow the mushrooms to brown. And here is my sourdough bread. I'm toasting it on all sides. And also, whenever I make a sandwich, I love to make chipotle mayo and spread it onto the bread. So in this small bowl, I'm gonna crush or press down on 1 chipotle and adobo sauce, and I'm gonna add a few teaspoons of mayo, and I'm gonna mix it well until it looks something like this. And I swear, this takes your sandwich to the next level. It tastes so good. And here are all my toppings, so now I'm ready to assemble. I like to spread chipotle mayo on each slice, and then I like to add pickled jalapenos that I also cut into slices, as well as tomatoes, avocado, and spinach, and the best part, the meaty portobello mushroom, and more spinach, and then I sandwiched it together, and this is what it looks like. It is as tasty as it looks. It is so good. This is like my go-to sandwich. Also, I had leftover lentils from the other night, and I placed them over a bed of iceberg lettuce. I added sliced tomatoes and avocado, and this is my afternoon meal. Fairly quick to put together, super yummy and filling, also pretty healthy. And yeah, this was all I ate today. I did go back and pick at some of that fruit from earlier and that butternut squash, and overall, I would say that what I eat from day to day varies depending on my mood and the weather. I'll be sure to film another one coming soon, maybe a weekend version of what I eat in a day. Also, I will upload my vegan ceviche recipe within the next few days, so watch out for that. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I post vegan recipes every single week. Until next time.